Oh my gosh, look at the harbor.
Local authorities said Thursday that at least 53 people have been confirmed dead in the devastating hurricane-driven wildfires in Hawaii's Maui Island, warning the death toll could grow even higher. Strong winds from Hurricane Dora were to blame for the deadly wildfires, destroying parts of Lahaina, a tourist spot on Maui Island. According to county officials, the wildfire that caused the widespread damage in Lahaina town was reported to be 80% contained this morning after the fire department reported making progress in fighting the Lahaina fire and fires in Palahu and upcountry Maui. Officials said that the status of all three fires remained unchanged as of Thursday afternoon. U.S. President Joe Biden on Thursday morning approved a major disaster declaration for Hawaii in the wake of the wildfires. Hawaii Governor Josh Green said that over 1,000 buildings have likely been destroyed during his visit to Lahaina. He said in an earlier statement that this is a tragic day for everyone in Hawaii and the nation.